Pollination is defined as the transfer of pollens from anther to the stigma. Based on whether the pollens released are from the same flower or not, pollination can be categorized into two types: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination is a type of pollination in which the pollens are released from the anther and they go and sit on the stigma of the same flower, which means that the interaction between the pollen grains on the stigma happens within the same flower. Hence the name self-pollination. Cross-pollination is a type of pollination in which the pollens are released from the anther of one flower and it will go and sit on the stigma or stick to the stigma of another flower. Since this process of transfer of pollen grains happens in between two different flowers, this process will be called as cross-pollination. Pollination can be carried out by agents called biotic agents or abiotic agents. Biotic agents can be any insects like honeybee or any cattle, while abiotic agents include wind current and water current.